first coming of John Mahama no omakoto helicopter Chinafuɔ omo ye helicopter eyeyi ebusafo ma wakwa ba biom eba Ghana TV GH pacho like and share and comment my why we are receiving more updates about helicopter unfortunately penny for ministers mienu and former ministers mienu any soldiers a soldier for any security for akosho munkwa ewo mu no na empsan for asem de dem by say yenka obi wo eso binka. Now these are the latest revelations. The helicopter in question no ebusan for interestingly according to what we are seeing post on social media, oh my god voice page no John Mahama, His Excellency, on one neto helicopter no. Mahama, no this guy on mine wesika akotos a helicopter no. Oto ye 2015. Na ebusan for munum ni aye even critical na say yes wasem no nyina mo. Helicopter no oto wo Chinafuɔ omu ho na okoto helicopter no wo. Sa helicopter Z9 no okoto Chinafuɔ 2015 na omuto baku 4 helicopters no omuto baku 4 na omuto ye na assemble so na helicopter company no yen na yenim say eba no helicopter China omunye leading manufacturers of helicopter mutimase Chinafuɔ no they are not known for manufacturing helicopters. Now, obia only made in China product. Bia so nim say, ukoto adia, upe papa ni bia nye China die. Yenim, ukoto iPhone. Uko na uko say made in China. Ubeto. Ukoto adia ya di papa. Unko Chinafuɔ. But on say uwo man bi muna uwo aban bia every time obu pe chip side. Adia bia na beba piano omu de chip side unkwa na omu pe. Maybe amenya chobo eti no. When never be say neighbor. Nsem be say unfortunate event be say ne every mobile. On mine be brave now oko story ni ma according to what we are reading so far now. Yeah. Because Chinafuɔ almost at some produce helicopter we no 2012. 3 years pe and 3 years experience pe na omunya and John Mahama koto and John Mahama sorry koto 4 ewo mo. When we are saying, then John Mahama, His Excellency, with all due respect, anytime I obey involved in purchase of either aeroplane or whatever, no, in some more. Then Mukaya Brazil for embryo, whatever, no. First time I catch the song called Adiano, no, and moon some ne bebre nearby. And moon some bebre. That is where we started hearing about a commission investigation. We must come to Nekai, right? About purchasing the agreement. Next time, no, na government official one says same subai. From there, no, I feel the helicopter so a military, a soldier for. Ombe use no. I could talk about helicopter. Oh, China. Now China only a producers of helicopter. Ebra Germany wo US wo Russia wo. And they share the same helicopters that you bought at the cheap side made in China 2015 and then are you seeing what has come out of it? John Mahama, His Excellency, the whole country is mourning. We are all mourning. Very, very, very sad occurrence. Just because they are minimum say ebano aviation accidents in there a bit messy. But sometimes I think some of them are avoidable. We go to helicopter, and once go to China. How do you go and buy helicopter from China? How? Now, brilliant young men. Mutala, Omani Buama, Omumenuwe, they are in their 40s. Mutala is presidential material because Onu a very intelligent guy. minyen this mu, but no credit about coupe. Muntala a very intelligent guy. Obani Boama, very decent man. Very decent man. Oba veteran, uhune dimina. Usembia Okawa in the past. He retracted or apologized. Very decent man. Presidential material. Bent beyond recognition. Bent beyond recognition. Adentia. Because in first coming of John Mahama, no, Omakoto helicopter, or Chinafuɔ, Omuye helicopter,
Boateng, the Kumasi Mayor Kinzoba, he is here, and also cited the Deputy National Security Coordinator for the Ashanti Region, Tapsoba, also here. All of them are making frantic efforts to go into the deep forest to ascertain circumstances. And already, as we reported, the Ashanti Regional Minister left the scene. That was the responsive community mining event, and then went and came right here at this community. And so they have taken lead into the forest to ascertain circumstances. But I have this gentleman here with me when the incident happened, and he will tell us what really happened when he went there to see the site. But Okoye no Dennis here and Nanope.
Nanope about 9:30 to 10. Ti ewa fumudo. Ne ti say penu eba. Like penu say sound eba no that's like person eba dum say BBS. Ti mka chimi nyam say yen hwe be penu beko. Ti udin be tem mi say pena crash of the cinema. Na mka chimi nyam say no. Pen na crash no te be ya yen fefi na yemu say be nyen gofo bi aka ye ho na ya start say e go di akira ti o be within 5 seconds say boys be the motor baby say o motor bi crash ti be say on boy na tum go hwe ti en etien fam be within be 2 hours na hu no ti egusu ehwa ti call forest bi deep forest te ko say say be bia PTS no e bia betuma ye ho a ti yampampa ye kwa na ehun se yampanso ko ehun se botonu ne head na ebubu fomoa ti ko ye ehun se emunu de emunu nash baba ko pen ehun se na da ho but mo tu really in be 5 no be we da no omo da jam but ba ko pe de da nchem and we dey do say in 5 ne de much be ba ko now dey on chance kwa.
So as you can see in your shots, that's the Kumasi Mayor Kinzuba. He is also trying to go into the forest to ascertain circumstances over there, what really happened in the forest. We'll also be going there to give you our feedback. Continue. Then I see Oko nipa saying dodo saying na edahona normal body na shikra na dey.
Yeah, me ko eno ma otuzo ma shikra no dey. Ba ko pe na wa zumi se on dey da enchen be bi gakwa ba ma kan ze muja omugudja nimu amu nesh because want me fashion no because forest no anode na be forest no be bia adinsi no bibia nu abetumi adaye ti be du be yen say the netie edutu from me ko na sikan gete edutu from the netie edudum jana kala ansa na ehu nipa say nipa be 5 pi na ahika ho exactly problem I always yeah.
Nti mo ko ne bibia mo hu bibia no bibia yeah bibia nti ye ka no say incident ni see ye no then na mutimi call inside one kasa call ye no then na mutimi ye bo a mo de ejije o mo and then kra na mo ye mutimi call understand say quite far from here say then na mutimi call
yeah let me ka say ye won say ye noise no because you don't do this baby I crash our forest nim bla because ten crash no I am share to I don't know mutu pain na crash because oh he noise na ya na because one more fie kura to say noise bi asi na you from kwa ben ho de na say also to me the following one the kura yes and guys na buy na o first na so about guys na do so no na say na de go hwe ti more than 2 hours 3 hours and you
spent 3 hours 2 hours before finding
yes bachan yeah okay yeah
that's what I say udini there
some of what
okay sure and so that's an eyewitness